So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Cash App isn't available in your region. Now, if you are currently away on a vacation or something like that and you are unable to access your Cash App, what we need to do, and one way that we can fix this, is if we head over to the App Store, and then what you now need to do is you simply need to search for VPNify. Now, once we select VPNify, click on this one here, select this, download and install this app, and then click on open. Now, what we will then be able to do is open up VPNify here. You will then get a couple of ads on VPNify, and then we can skip it, and then you can then choose your actual region on this app. Now, as you can see, I can then go and I can connect to this VPN here, so click on connect, and then once we click on connect, that should then fix the problem that we are having. If not, and you are in a totally different region that doesn't have access to Cash App, unfortunately you will not be able to use it at all if it is not available yet in your region. So it's just that simple, guys. That's the only way that you can fix it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.